Axie limitlessness cost really equivalent to $7.3938 a coin in an unpretentious manner. The present exchange cost range, 7.3346 7.4513, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. The earlier day close, 7.4112, which really is genuinely huge. The change for the most part was 0.0174, 0.23%, which in a real sense is very critical. Backwards rate, USD to Axie in an unpretentious way. Axie limitlessness value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which basically is genuinely critical. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $7.11, most extreme 7.61, certainly least 6.61, showing how the change most certainly was 0.0174, 0.23%, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Axie vastness gauge on Tuesday, May 9, cost $7.26, most extreme 7.77, genuinely least 6.75, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost $7.13, genuinely most extreme 7.63, truly least 6.63, which shows that the change explicitly was 0.0174, 0.23%, which truly is very critical. Axie boundlessness figure on Thursday, May 11, cost $7.21, sort of most extreme 7.71, truly least 6.71 in an unobtrusive way. Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Friday, May 12, cost $7.23, beautiful most extreme 7.74, especially least 6.72 in a kind of enormous manner. And multi-week Axie limitlessness figure on Monday, May 15, cost $6.96, certainly most extreme 7.45, certainly least 6.47, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost $6.86, most extreme 7.34, especially least 6.38. Axie endlessness conjecture on Wednesday, May 17, cost $6.88, sort of greatest 7.36, truly least 6.40, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Thursday, May 18, cost $6.91, especially greatest 7.39, extremely least 6.43 in an especially large way. Axie boundlessness figure on Friday, May 19, cost $7.03, kind of greatest 7.52 in every way that really matters, least 6.54, which for the most part is very huge. In about 14 days Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost $6.85, by and large most extreme 7.33, really least 6.37, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Axie vastness estimate on Tuesday, May 23, cost $6.98, greatest 7.47, really least 6.49, or so they essentially thought. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, May 24, cost $6.93, beautiful greatest 7.42, really least 6.44 in a very enormous way. Axie endlessness conjecture on Thursday, May 25, cost $6.80, extremely greatest 7.28, least 6.32, which by and large is very critical. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Friday, May 26, cost $6.94, really most extreme 7.43, exceptionally least 6.45 in an unobtrusive way. In 3 weeks Axie boundlessness conjecture on Monday, May 29, cost $6.69, truly most extreme 7.16, genuinely least 6.22, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Tuesday, May 30, cost $6.51, especially greatest 6.97, certainly least 6.05 incredibly. Axie boundlessness gauge on Wednesday, May 31, cost $5.85, extremely greatest 6.26, beautiful least 5.44, which sort of is very critical. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost $5.86, certainly greatest 6.27, fundamentally least 5.45, which in every practical sense shows that Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Friday, May 12, cost $7.23, by and large greatest 7.74, really least 6.72, which generally is very huge. Axie endlessness figure on Friday, June 2, cost $5.94, especially most extreme 6.36, exceptionally least 5.52, so genuinely opposite rate, USD to Axie, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. In about a month Axie vastness cost forecast on Monday, June 5, cost $6.08. Beautiful most extreme 6.51, especially least 5.65 in an exceptionally significant way. Axie limitlessness gauge on Tuesday, June 6, cost $6.07. In every way that really matters, greatest 6.49, truly least 5.65, or so they generally thought. USD to Axie conversion standard truly equivalent to 0.1352 coins per $1 in a for the most part significant manner. Today, S reach 0.1342 minus 0.1363, or so they in every practical sense thought. The past day, S nearby 0.1349, or so they for the most part thought. Change for now plus 0.0003, plus 0.22%, which basically is genuinely critical. Dollar to Axie endlessness figure on Monday, May 8, cost 0.141 coins, exceptionally greatest 0.151, especially least 0.131, which really is genuinely critical. USD to Axie expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost 0.138 coins, essentially most extreme 0.148, especially least 0.129. Pretty further appearance how dollar to Axie vastness figure on Monday, May 8, cost 0.141 coins, sort of greatest 0.151, really least 0.131 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Axie endlessness estimate on Wednesday, May 10, cost 0.140 coins. Beautiful most extreme 0.151, truly least 0.131, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. USD to Axie expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 0.139 coins. Beautiful most extreme 0.149, especially least 0.130, or so they really thought. Dollar to Axie endlessness gauge on Friday, May 12, cost 0.138 coins. Essentially greatest 0.149, sort of least 0.129, or so they truly thought. In multi-week USD to Axie forecast on Monday, May 15, cost 0.144 coins, truly greatest 0.155, by and large least 0.134, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to Axie boundlessness gauge on Tuesday, May 16, cost 0.146 coins, sort of greatest 0.157, sort of least 0.136, which generally is genuinely critical. USD to Axie forecast on Wednesday, May 17, cost 0.145 coins. Beautiful most extreme 0.156, certainly least 0.136, which is very critical. Dollar to Axie boundlessness figure on Thursday, May 18, cost 0.145 coins. Truly most extreme 0.156, exceptionally least 0.135, which truly is very huge. USD to Axie forecast on Friday, May 19, cost 0.142 coins. Truly greatest 0.153, kind of least 0.133, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. In about 14 days dollar to Axie boundlessness conjecture on